Regrets and mistakes, their memories made. Who would have known how